All right, so you're welcome to TDS Online Math. Okay, now let's see how we can solve this mathematical expression. All right, this mathematical expression has gone viral with a lot of comments. We have so many answers coming out from the same question. All right, so let's join hands as we, provide the correct answer. Okay, for this mathematical expression. All right. So we have 6 divided by 2 parenthesis 1 plus 2. Okay. All right. So what we are going to do here is to add this. Okay. So we have 6 divided by 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 6 divided by 2, 3, 6. So 6 divided by 6 is the same as 6 over 6, which is 1. Okay. So this one is wrong. Okay. All right. So let's see how we can solve this question proper. Okay. So let's go ahead as we apply our PEMDAS. Okay. Let's understand this PEMDAS or board mass. Okay. So pay attention. All right. So we will start with the first one here. That is the P is for parenthesis. Okay, so this side will be the bracket. So anytime you start with the mathematical expression and you see a parenthesis or bracket, you have to deal with it first. For instance, 5 times 2 parenthesis 6 minus 5. Okay, so you have to deal with this one first. As simple as that. So let's go to the next one, that is the exponent. So this side will be order. So we know exponent. Now let's move on to the next one, multiplication. Multiplication, then this side will be division. Okay, and since we have division, we move on to addition, and this side will be subtraction. So addition, and we have subtraction. Okay, so let's note that if two orders, okay, are of the same precedence, so if two orders are of the same precedence, we start from the left. Very, very important. Now same precedence means, now if for instance multiplication division, okay, for instance 5 times 6 divided by 3, 7 divided by 4 times 3. So we have multiplication division. Okay, multiplication division, division multiplication. So we have same precedence. When it happens this way, start from the left. Okay, so this one we just multiply. After that you divide, and this one you divide. After that you multiply. So same precedence means that we start from the left. And if it happens with addition, subtraction, so we start from the left. Okay, and what have you. All right, so with this, let's go straight to the question. Okay, all right, so we have 6 divided by 2 parenthesis 1 plus 2. All right, so what we are going to do is to deal with the parenthesis. So we have 6 divided by 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, so have 3 here. All right. So remember, anytime you are given 2 parentheses 5, it is same as saying 2 times 5. Okay. All right. So this side will be 6 divided by 2 times 3. Now guess what? All right. So same incident just happened here. So we have 2 orders of the same precedence. So we have division here and we have multiplication. So multiplication and division, we have it here. So we call this one 2 orders of the same precedence. So when it happens this way, we start from the left of the expression. So this is my left and this side is my right. Okay, so with my left here, I see division here. Okay, so I'll just divide. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, so times 3. So this side will be what? 9. As simple as that. All right, so go ahead and try this one. All right, so we have 10 times 5 divided by 2. Now remember the rule. Okay, so we have multiplication and division. So 2 orders of the same precedence. All right, so 10 times 5 divided by 2 from the left. So we have 50 divided by 2. And the correct answer will be 25. Okay. All right. So if this video is very important to you, please just hit on the subscribe button as we grow the channel together. All right. So thanks for watching.